If you've ever searched how to make money from home, you've probably seen a lot of options that sound pretty good, but don't feel very realistic. Online courses, side hustle, passive income promises, most of them either take years to work, require a lot of upfront money, or cap out on how much you can actually earn. If learning about real, practical ways to create income from home is something you want more of, make sure you subscribe to this channel because that's exactly what I will break down here. I'm Jennifer Kenna, a top Southwest Florida real estate agent, and today I want to walk you through how people are actually making money from home and why real estate continues to be one of the strongest options available. Here's something most people don't talk about. People don't just want to work from home, they want flexibility, income growth, and control over their schedule. The problem with a lot of work from home jobs is that they trade time for money. You can work more hours, but your income still has a ceiling, and that can feel limiting fast. Real estate works differently. As a real estate agent, you can work from home doing things like following up with clients, marketing listings, scheduling appointments, building relationships, and also generating leads. And instead of being paid hourly, you're paid based on your results. So now let's talk about how someone actually gets started, because this is where most people have questions. First, you do need to get licensed. That usually means taking an online pre-licensing course, studying, passing your state exam. Most people complete this step in just a few weeks to even a couple of months. Second, choose the right team or brokerage matters more than people realize. New agents who have training, systems, and mentorship tend to progress much faster than those trying to do it alone. Third, real estate income comes down to learning how to talk to people, generate leads, and consistently follow up. These are skills you can learn even if you don't have sales experience. And yes, making $100,000 in your first year in real estate is possible with consistent effort, the right guidance, and daily action. This isn't about overnight success. It's about building momentum with a proven process. I've seen brand new agents come into this industry with no background in real estate and build strong pipelines while working largely from home. If this video was helpful and you want to keep learning about building income, flexibility, long-term growth, make sure you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss our future videos.